Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by pausing OneDrive sync so files don't change while you work. This prevents upload/download races. Next, make sure the local OneDrive folder path has enough free space. Otherwise, files won't fully download. Open OneDrive settings, verify the signed-in Microsoft account and client version so you manage the right storage. Once done, use Settings account, choose folders to immediately restrict cloud-only folders you intend to keep locally. This begins the transfer process. You now force files to become local by marking folders always keep on this device, which downloads full copies. That is why you checked free space earlier. Once the green solid checkmarks appear, return to OneDrive settings account, choose folders, and uncheck those folders to stop syncing. This severs the live cloud link but leaves local files. Make sure to verify every important file opens locally. Otherwise, re-enable sync briefly to complete any partial downloads. You finish by removing cloud copies via OneDrive Web. Select the unsynced folders and delete them. This frees cloud space while local files stay on your PC. After deletion, empty the OneDrive recycle bin to prevent automatic restore. Then test opening files locally and back them up to an external drive for redundancy. If something goes wrong, say you deleted the wrong items, quickly check the OneDrive recycle bin or relink the account to restore before permanent deletion occurs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.